First, go to Text and add a default text to the timeline. Now, extend your text to the duration you want, and I will set mine at 10 seconds. Come to the text area right here, clean the default text and type OK, then increase the size to fit the screen, just like this. Now come and click on the Animation tab. Then come and click on the Out Animation tab. Now this is where the magic takes place. So look for the animation called Clock Wipe. And this animation literally creates the countdown animation. But if you can't find the Clock Wipe animation, then go to the In Animation tab and look for it there. Sometimes CapCut just interchanges these animations. Now, use this slider to increase the animation all the way to the end. Now, we have created our countdown animation, but that's not all. Let's make it a whole lot better. And the first thing I am going to do is to make it a bit thinner. So right-click on the text and create a compound clip. Then go to the Video tab and select the Mask tab. Now click on the Add Mask button and select the circle mask. Now position the mask right in the center. Now scroll down to Mask Setting. Click on the reverse icon to reverse the mask. Now open up the mask until you get the thickness that you want. Now come to Mask Settings and use the settings here to adjust your mask. And this make you get Yule size all round. So play around with it until you get what you want. Now this is our animation now. Now move it to the middle of the screen, and it's time to add our countdown numbers. And we are going to use ChatGPT for this one. Now open any browser and go to ChatGPT, and I'm using Chrome for this tutorial. Now copy this prompt from the description and paste it in ChatGPT. Now edit the prompt based on the duration of your countdown timer, and mine is 10 seconds, so I will type it in. Now press enter and wait for ChatGPT to generate the SRT file for you. Now click on the link to download the SRT file. Now drag and drop the downloaded SRT file to CapCut. Then drag it to your timeline. And as you can see out, countdown numbers has been created with no stress. Now let's edit the text. First, I will increase the size and change the font style. You can also change the color to any color you want. And now, this is our countdown timer, but it's left with a little thing, sound effect. So let's add some sound effect to our timer. And CapCut has a lot of sound effects you can use for free. Let's go to Audio, then click on the Sound Effects tab. Now search for countdown timer sound effect and make sure you get this one. Now drag it to the timeline and make sure it starts from 3 seconds. And now this is how to create a countdown timer for your workout videos. Now you can add a green screen, save it, and use it anytime you want without creating it every time.